Mastering everyday English. Request a refill. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase, request a refill. Whether you're at a restaurant, a coffee shop, or any place where you're being served, knowing how to use this phrase can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get into it. Request a refill simply means asking for more of whatever you're drinking or using. This could be water, coffee, tea, or even something like paper towels in some contexts. The word request implies asking for something politely, while refill means to fill something up again after it has been partially or completely used. This phrase is commonly used in places where it's standard practice to offer more of a product without an additional charge. Here are a few scenarios. At a restaurant, after finishing your drink, you might want to ask for more. This is where you can say to the waiter, "Could I please request a refill?" In an office or public space, if you're using a water cooler or coffee machine that's empty, you might ask someone in charge, "Can I request a refill for the water, coffee?" Being polite is key when making any request. Here are some polite ways to ask for a refill. "Excuse me, could I get a refill on my coffee, please? I'm sorry to bother you, but may I have a refill of water?" It's always a good idea to include "please" and "thank you" to show appreciation. It's important to note that the expectation of free refills might not be the same everywhere around the world. In some countries, it's common and expected, while in others, it might be unusual or even considered rude. Always observe the practices of the place you're in or ask politely if you're unsure whether refills are offered. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use the phrase, request a refill, in everyday situations. Remember, being polite and aware of the cultural context can make all the difference in how your request is received. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and lessons on English language learning. See you next time.